We are going to discuss various methods we use for purification of organic compounds from a mixture which contains that organic compound. So, one of the method is sublimation. Sublimation has basically substances which can directly convert from solid to gas, such as you have anthracene, you have ammonium chloride, you have camphor, you have solid carbon dioxide. Such compounds directly convert from solid to gas, so they could be easily separated by using sublimation method. Similarly, next method we proceed further for the method known as crystallization. Crystallization is basically based on the difference in solubilities of various components of the mixture. So, depending on their solubilities, they are crystallized out. Then saturated solution of a compound is prepared, that on adding a little bit of more compound, separation starts happening and crystals are formed for that organic compound. And then we move on to another method called distillation. So distillation is basically separation of two liquids which have difference in boiling points. Difference in boiling points must be a bit higher. That will make that separation easier. Otherwise, they will not be separated. In distillation, what happens is basically in such a container, this is a setup of distillation where, if I explain, in such a container, you have, let's say, A and B, A plus B are present in the mixture, and boiling point of A, boiling point of A is 60 degrees Celsius, and boiling point of A is 60, and boiling point of B is, for that matter, 120 degrees Celsius. So, what do you think? When heating starts happening, then A will boil first. A will boil first, and the vapors of A through this condenser. In the condenser, the vapors of A will cool down and they will be again converted into liquid, and they are collected here. So, A will be vaporized first because boiling point is less. So, it will form vapors and come to this container, and B will remain in this container, and this process is known as distillation. Alright. When difference in boiling points is very less, difference in boiling points is less, then we use a fractionating column for distillation, and such distillation is known as fractional distillation. And now coming to the next method, differential extraction. Basically, it is used when an organic substance is dissolved in aqueous solvent. When organic substance is present in an aqueous solution, then what we do is we add an organic solvent. What happens? The organic substance, being more soluble in the organic solvent, it separates out. If I explain over here in the figure, then this is the mixture where you have organic compound in aqueous solution. When we have put a solvent layer, this solvent is basically a organic solvent. So what happens? The organic compound from this layer comes to this layer. Alright. So that is what has happened. Organic compound in the solvent layer. So organic compound has moved from here to here. Now aqueous layer can be removed by opening this nozzle, and you will have this component which could be separated further by distillation. So these are few methods we use for separation and purification of organic compounds from a mixture. So that's it.